Introduction. Hello and welcome back to Car Chronicles, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury and refinement, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Known for its unparalleled elegance, world-class craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology, the Phantom is more than just a car. It's a statement of prestige. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about this iconic luxury sedan. Exquisite, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom retains its timeless design, yet subtle updates keep it fresh and modern. Its iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament stands tall, leading the way for its unmistakable grille and sleek silhouette. The handcrafted exterior features new lighting elements, including laser headlights and striking LED taillights that add a contemporary touch. Rolls-Royce offers infinite customization options, ensuring every Phantom is as unique as its owner. Lavish interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a world of opulence. The cabin of the 2025 Phantom is nothing short of a masterpiece. Rolls-Royce has taken luxury to the next level with starlight headliners, bespoke materials, and unparalleled attention to detail. The seats, crafted from the finest leather, offer exceptional comfort, while the rear passenger area is more like a private lounge. With customizable embroidery, veneered surfaces, and even a personalized dashboard gallery, the Phantom lets you design your own sanctuary. Performance and power. Under the hood, the 2025 Phantom is powered by a refined 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering effortless power with 563 horsepower and 664 lp-f of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this luxury sedan glides on the road with unmatched smoothness. Rolls-Royce has enhanced the suspension system for an even more serene ride, ensuring you feel like you're floating on air. Innovative technology. The Phantom isn't just about luxury, it's also a technological marvel. The latest iteration includes an upgraded infotainment system, a customizable digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance features. Rear seat entertainment screens, voice recognition, and even gesture control are part of the package, ensuring every journey is both comfortable and connected. Pricing and verdict. Luxury comes at a price, and the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at around $460,000, with options that can take it well beyond $600,000. While it's an investment, the Phantom offers unmatched prestige, making it a worthwhile choice for those who demand the best of the best. Conclusion. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom represents the pinnacle of luxury motoring. With its timeless design, handcrafted interior, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it's a masterpiece in motion. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Chronicles for more content like this. See you in the next one.